guys, it's Dai here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we are going to be doing a full matte makeup look with a glossy lip. The one thing, this is like one of my favorite makeup looks, is just like a full matte with a little bit of highlighter on the nose and a glossy lip. I don't know if I'm gonna do the highlighter on the nose because then that kind of like isn't full matte, but I'm just saying, like, that's what I love. I love a little good cute little highlighter on the nose. But yeah, like I said, in today's video we're just going to be doing a full matte brown makeup look with a nice little cute glossy lip. So if you guys want to see that, then just keep on watching. So I already did my eyebrows off camera. Now I'm gonna prime my eyes with the Rimmel London Multitasker Concealer. I'm just gonna blend that out with a Real Techniques sponge. Okay, and then I'm just gonna set my eyelids with the Rimmel London Stay Matte Pressed Powder. I love this powder, especially for like setting concealer and stuff. So I'm gonna take the NYX Modern Dreamer palette, and I'm gonna take the third shade in the first row on this BH Cosmetics tapered blending brush, and that's just gonna be like my transition shade kind of. And on that same brush, I'm going to take the second shade in the second row and put that into the crease as well. Okay, now on an M435 brush, I'm going to take my like powder bronzer, which is the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Powder Foundation in the shade Java. We're going to use this as like eyeshadow today. We're going to put that into the crease but lower than those other shades, and we're kind of winging it out a little bit. I'm going to take the M330 brush with that same shade and just make sure that's blended out. I'm going to take the fourth shade in the second row of that NYX palette and just darken this up. I was gonna cut my crease kind of, but now I think I'm gonna do like a smoky eye. I feel like it's been so long since I did a smoky eye. So I'm just gonna take a flat brush and that powder bronzer and put that on the lid. Okay, and I'm gonna do a wing liner with the LA Girl gel eyeliner in the shade Jet Black. Okay. Now I'm gonna go off camera really quickly and do my other eye, and then I'll come back with you guys to the base. So give me a second. Okay, so now that I did my other eye, we're gonna start with the base, and we're gonna start with primer. So I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution Mattify Primer and also the Makeup Revolution Blur and Primer. I'm just going to take a beauty sponge and pat that in just to make sure it's really incorporated into my skin. Okay, and I'm going to take the Multitasker Concealer and just cover up some of my dark spots that I want more coverage for before I put on foundation. I need a really good color corrector, so if you guys know a good color corrector for dark spots, please leave it in the comments down below. I'm going to lightly tap it out with a beauty sponge because we still want a lot of that coverage to stay where I put it. Okay, and now for foundation, we're going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. I love this foundation, and this is in the shade 334. I'm going to blend that out with a beauty sponge. Now for under eye concealer, I'm going to take the Rimmel, is this just a full face of Rimmel? The Rimmel London Stay Matte Concealer in the shade Ivory. For my chin and forehead, I'm going to take that Multitasker Concealer. I don't like it to be as light as my under eye. And first, I'm just going to blend out my chin, my nose, and my forehead. And I'm going to let my under eye sit for a little bit just to make sure I get all that coverage. Sometimes I even take like a little fan to it just to like dry it down. And now for cream bronzing, I'm going to take this ABH contour stick in the shade Espresso. I'm going to blend that out with this big Juvia's Place angled brush. I'm going to blend it up towards my cheekbones. And then for my chin, I'm going to blend it down. And now to powder my under eyes and my entire face, I'm going to take the transparent Rimmel London powder on this powder puff, and I'm just going to swirl it around and just tap it under my eyes. I'm going to take it on my chin, my nose, and my forehead. On this big, huge Juvia's Place brush, I'm just going to take it and tap it all over my face. Make sure everything is nice and matte. And now on this big fluffy brush, I'm going to take the powder that I use for my eyelids, which is the Maybelline Super Stay Powder Foundation. And I'm just going to bronze with that. Now let's do my under eyes. So I'm basically just going to take that powder bronzer that I use, and I'm going to take that on this Dose of Colors brush. I think it came with like a palette or something, and I'm going to use the bigger, fluffier side. I'm just going to take that and run that under my eyes, connecting it to the top. And now I'm going to go off camera, put on setting spray, and put on a lash, and then I'll come back with you guys for the final look. Okay guys, so this is the finished look for lip gloss, which I freaking never used this before, but like look how glossy and cute it is. It is the Juvia's Place glass lip gloss, and it definitely is giving glass lip. So I also just put on some fake freckles when I went off camera, and yeah, this is the finished all matte look with a glossy lip. I don't know why it's giving illuminating, but it's definitely matte. It's giving fall. I'm so excited for fall. I just want it to be fall already so I can get into the fall like spooky Halloween videos, like pumpkin spice, like, you know, all that good stuff, hot cocoa. I just love it. So yeah, this is the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you like me, if you like this video, please subscribe. I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers by the end of the year. I feel like that's a pretty steep goal, but we're trying. So if you like me, if you like this makeup, if you like the video, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It'll also be in the description box down below for your convenience. Yeah, watch another video because I think they're pretty good. Yeah, so I guess that's all I have for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!